Eva Trades.
If you're interested in day trading, then you've come to the right place. I'm Josh from evatrades.com, and I'm on the road to make $1 million. In this video, I'll be trading my strategy so that you can benefit as well. But first, real quick, we'll take a look at my progress, then we'll break down some stocks that are moving today so that we'll be prepared to trade when the bell rings. Let's go! And thank you for joining me here today. This is a live show. Happy Tuesday morning. And I am not a financial advisor, but I do like to talk stocks, and I will say things that may be educational or entertainment or just don't make any sense at all. So glad to have you here today on the 28th day of February. This month is just about gone. That's crazy. So I'm looking at the gap scan this morning, and there are stocks on there, but CDIO is the one that's standing out to me as the best. I've already hit my daily goal today. I traded pre-market. I actually started trading this bad boy. As soon as I opened the trade station up here, I saw this thing moving up and I started buying it. I bought this pullback, I bought this pullback, I bought this one and this one. And I didn't really have any losses on it, but I was taking small profits on the way up, and I quit trading it up in here. I didn't trade this last push. At that point, I was up and off doing other stuff, but I'm up today. Right now, I'm up $20.08. And if you take a look, as I said in the intro, we take a look at the progress first. Here's my progress. My daily goal is $20. I'm looking to get to $500 so I can complete this phase of the $1 million challenge and move on to the next one, where I will try to make $1,000. So far, doing pretty good. So we'll see. I am due for consolidation on my P&L chart here. So I'm expecting some red days up and coming soon, but you never know. One day at a time. So CDIO is breaking out here. I don't know if I showed you this, but yeah, I did. All right, so nice consolidation on CDIO, and here's the break. I was hoping it would wait till the market opened, but dang it. Guess we'll wait and see what opportunities we might have on this one when the market does open. We have just under 5 minutes till the bell rings. Other stocks I have here are RNER and BVS. Also, I'm seeing SINT, so I'm going to pull that one up over here on the other screen and see what that looks like. Okay, it's doing some stuff. Cheaper stock. I like the price. Not a lot of volume on it yet, but it is a low float stock. It says it's got 297,000 in the float, so we'll see if it holds up. Gonna need to see a little more volume. The market overall today, SPY, what is it doing? So we're just sideways from yesterday. Okay. Not gonna spend too much time on that. Boy, look at CDIO. Wow. CDIO, I noticed, is really good at pulling back to certain levels. All the way up on this move, I kept seeing it pull back to critical levels. So perfectly healthy there, nothing much to cover. We had a 5-minute equilibrium set up here. We can zoom in on that. It was an inside bar on the 15-minute. You had the high of the move, low of the pullback, lower high, higher low, bull break. And we broke over these two levels with certainty. No looking back right now. Those bulls are pouring it on. RNER is a 5-minute downtrend, so I'm not big on RNER or BVS right now at the moment. It's just I didn't know what else to put up here, but 5-minute downtrend. I want to see a trend reversal, a 5-minute uptrend. Maybe we get a double bottom here and we start to see a move back up to the VWAP. I definitely want to get above the volume weighted average price, the dotted line. Big gnarly red candle with some pretty good red volume here on BVS. So we'll see what that consolidation brings. It is hourly consolidation on RNER. So that's where I want to see that 5-minute trend change. A 5-minute trend change back to the bulls would tell us that it's likely that our hourly consolidation, our hourly higher low, has been set, because we're scouting an hourly higher low here. At least I am. It's the most likely scenario. do think my live stream is a little choppy this morning. I'm looking at it and it's like, we're rows in. Well, I do put out a recording of the live stream every day as well, so if you miss anything, you can always watch the recording. All right, so with a minute to go till the bell rings, I'm going to be playing it safe because I'm already at my daily goal, so I'm in the driver's seat here. I can do whatever I want to do. If I don't want to trade, I don't have to trade because I'm already there, but I am going to honor my rules, and my one rule here that I have that says I'm done if I give back half after hitting my daily goals. So if I do have a losing trade right out the gate, that's going to be done. That's going to be it for me. I'm going to be one and done, but I'll be up on the day. I can't give back any more than that. All right, so after that breakout, getting some nice consolidation, I would like to see an equilibrium, but on the 1 minute time frame on CDIO, but I don't know about that. As soon as the bell rings, it's probably going to skyrocket in one direction, take off one direction or the other. Okay, and the market's open. Good luck today. There it goes. I don't really trade that first 1 minute of the day because Thinkorswim platform isn't very friendly in that first 1 minute. I've been burned pretty good. Orders don't go through and they'll sit there and bounce around, and then you can't cancel them. Then you get filled way too high because you couldn't cancel it. And yeah, it's a mess. So I'll just watch the candle ranges. We're about 50 cents on that candle range on CDIO on the 1 minute time frame. So failing to break 395, I'd be looking for a back test to the previous breakout spot back in here. Might be a good place to take a trade. I could actually put an order somewhere down there. Could actually tighten up my stop a little. RENR. I don't have my stop loss set. So nice start there on RNER. Still kind of cautious though, trading below the VWAP. I will try it. A bounce off of $7. Oh, that means I have to cancel this order over here. Oh, I'm gonna flatten that right there. Taking half a loss. Okay, well that's what I get for trading below the VWAP. So I'm gonna go ahead and buy CDIO here. We didn't quite make it down to that support. I'm seeing a lot of buyers on the bid there. Now the question is, do I want to hold this or, you know, wait for the bigger move, or should I exit quick? I know what I'm gonna do here. Since I took that loss on the other stock, I'm gonna move my stop loss up so that if I do get stopped out, I won't lose more, because I'm already down like $6 here, 46 cents. So my, oh, and look at you, RNER, god dang it. Don't you love that? Okay, and I'm gonna just I'm gonna hop back out of CDIO there, you know, so I'm still up. I'm only up $16 on the day. I'm gonna try it again. I'll buy the dip here. RNER, burn me once. Let's see if it gets me again. Perhaps pre-market was the way to go this morning. So I'm risking $6. So if I take a loss here, I'm done for the day, because I'm up 16. I know for one thing for sure, I'm going to walk away today with at least $10. So we had that resistance here. Yeah, he didn't close above the VWAP there, so that's got me worried a little bit. The BVS, I'd like to take a trade, but I mean, I could, but I'd have to get out of RNER. So you'll hold this for a little bit. We have a resistance up at 803, and we could get there, but we have 750 we're coming up against here too. Oh, and there goes BVS. Wow. Wow. I'm gonna flatten this position. Wow, what am I sitting at? I gotta make sure I'm not okay. I really pay attention to my P&L. Time is it? So that 1 minute candle is about to close on BVS. I was thinking about buying the dip on it. We broke through resistance. Gonna hold tight here for a bit. So far on the high day momentum scanner, we have BVS and CDIO. Okay, so I'm in with a starter position on CDIO, moving my stop loss up to the low of day. Now, if I get stopped out on that, I will be done. I'm going to hold that for now. We have a resistance here. This is where we failed before. So I'm buying against that resistance. I'm looking for a break through the high of day. Nope, not going to get it. So stopped out there. So I think that's probably going to be it for me. Yeah, I'm sitting up $10, so I've given back half of my profit, and my rules say that I have to stop right there, so I'm not going to trade anymore. I took some trades, tried it, and it didn't work for me. Now this is probably a good bounce area right here. CDIO is a little trickier right now than what it was pre-market. It was pretty clean trading pre-market, so it's really choppy right now. AMC is hitting the scanner. Take a look at AMC. I won't go anywhere just yet. I'll stick around for a bit. There's AMC. Looking good. Let's pull up SPY, see what it's doing. Overall market's down. Pulling back. What do we have on SPY here? So it's a 4-hour kind of a downtrend. That daily. So, okay, so consolidating possibly on the daily here. Could be shaping up to be an equilibrium. Is that a weekly inside bar? Yep, it is. Whole lot of chop. But yeah, so this is the 5-minute trend on SPY. So trending 5-minute downtrend. So looking for the hourly pullback. Where will we bottom out on the hourly? Look for a 5-minute trend change. AMC, that's pretty nice there. All right, so back over here. Equilibrium starting to shape up on RNER. Now this is where I wish I would have waited. Because remember I said that we need a 5-minute trend change to know that the hourly higher low has been set. We don't have the trend change yet, but we do have the makings of what looks like could be a higher low here. But we need to break 754. It's your equilibrium setup here. Oh, look at the bounce off the volume weighted average price. See, I should have waited for a trade like that. Yeah, I'm kicking myself there. Really should have waited for that VWAP bounce. Because that happened back here too, when I was trading back this stock back here. I didn't, I think on this one here, I didn't wait for the VWAP. I got in it like right here and sold it here, and then I missed the trade here, but I did take it here. So this one bounces off the VWAP. Pretty nice. Waiting to see if this equilibrium pans out here. So the volume profile looks pretty good. $730 is the level to get over. So we have an equilibrium on a smaller time frame here. If you could go to the seconds chart, this inside bar. AMC is the rock star. Look at that. Plow, right through the highs. Oh, I got the FOMO, man. I really want to trade some more, but I have to follow my rules. Rules is rules. There's a pullback on Renner. There's a or RNER. That's probably where I would have jumped in it. Would have got in here with my stop loss down here, below there somewhere. So yeah, I'd be in down here. But we still got to get above the VWAP. So now we'll see if we get the bull break up above 730 and 754. And that would be a trend change back to the bulls, and that would tell us that the hourly higher low is likely set, and we'll see continuation maybe. So if you're looking to play long term, you might say, okay, I want to get in on this pullback, but where should I get in? Well, you could look for that 5-minute trend change as your place to get in. God, AMC, man, what are you doing? I am so not happy about that. Is there news on AMC? Like, what's it even bouncing for? After popcorn collaboration with Walmart announced ahead of earnings. Popcorn collaboration? It's popcorn. SPY is bouncing. All right, so the equilibrium over here did not work out. That was a bear break. Boy, look at CDIO now. And, you know, trading below the VWAP, that's kind of high, what you have to expect. It's a equilibrium and continuation for the bears. But, you know, I was waiting for the trend change. If I'd seen a 5-minute trend change back to the bulls, that would have been a good sign. Well, I want to see real quick. I think, for me, because I am done for the day, I'm not trading anymore, but I do like to sit and watch. I know that's pretty sad. I like to just sit and watch. $10.34. I want to see what that does to my chart. 10.34, small green day, half of my daily goal. 228, right? Yeah. So I'm up over. Oh no, I'm not. I was gonna say I'm up over 400. Sitting at 397, so I got $103 to go. And it says here I'll get there by March 8th. Okay, well, everybody's kind of consolidating now. You know, I think that's going to do it for me. I'm probably going to get out of here and come back tomorrow morning. And I think maybe I'm going to try to start recording these shows pre-market so that I can at least show my trades, because it's too bad I traded really good this morning and I didn't get to show any of it, and you get to see me trade really bad when the market opens. So I don't think I traded bad. I'll have to go back and look. I think I took some worthy trades. It just didn't work for me. So, you know, sometimes it does, sometimes it don't. Well, good luck in your trading today. One last look at the scanner. SOXL is now bouncing up on the scanner. So you had SOXL, AMC, and SPY is starting to bounce a little bit. Look for that 5-minute trend change on SPY to know that the hourly higher low has been set. If you're looking to trade the markets, that's a good sign that we might see a bounce in the markets. So watching for a 5-minute trend change. Right now we have a bounce, so we're looking for a lower high on the 5-minute right now, and we got a ways to go. Anything below 398.51 is just a lower high, and the bears stay in control with a continued downtrend. What we're looking for is that hourly time frame here, looking to hold support here. We want to see a higher low, and we pulled back enough that we could actually see an equilibrium on SPY on the hourly time frame. that would play out throughout the day, but bulls would like to see it bounce from here and continue and break out over 399.30, but we'll see what the day gives us. So play it minute by minute, be safe, use your strategy, your stop losses, and honor your strategy and your rules. And I'll see you back here first thing tomorrow morning. Thanks for joining me, and good day.